Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd bring you along to show you what I'm eating in a day with it being hot. One of the things that is a focus of mine is staying hydrated. So definitely going to show you guys how I'm getting those in. So this morning I'm starting with one of my supplements of P5P and my blood pressure pill. I definitely have been more into juicing and making sure I'm getting like lots of fruits and veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready and then I'll bring you guys downstairs with me so we can make our first, I guess we can call it a meal, but I'll be juicing meal for the day. So for breakfast, I decided to have some avocado toast, and one of them I'm going to put some pickled onions on top, and the other I'm going to top with some everything bagel seasoning. Everything but the bagel seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning? Yeah, whatever. 2 pieces of avocado toast for breakfast. Coming right on up. This is my finished avocado. This is my finished avocado toast. I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and then I'll check back in with you guys. He does for the next meal. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make a apple, beet, carrot juice. I'm gonna clean them with some vinegar. Just let them sit for about 10 minutes in vinegar and some cold water. For lunch, I have some cut up veggies and some naan bread. And so I'm just going to take some leftover pasta sauce and make some pizzas. The garlic naan is really good. It adds some extra flavor to it. Out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. So when we are working with vegan cheese, a lot of times it needs some steam, so I'm just going to cover this up. This is my daughter's. Hers was done before mine because I had so much stuff on it, so I'm going to sit it under the lids, let the steam cook it for a little bit, and that's lunch. This is the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And give it a taste. It's good. Alright, so I have my fruits and vegetables soaked. I cored my apples, and I'm about to get started with my juice. It is 5:11, so far from this morning where I thought I'd be able to drink it. I know, it's all over the counter. It's okay, we'll get it. Alright, so this is my finished juice. I'm going to put some in here because me and my husband will have some, but the kids also want some, so I don't know if I have enough for everybody. And I just saved these. I'm probably going to make some muffins tomorrow morning with the discard. Kind of like a carrot cake. A carrot.
That's good.
Oh, it is good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Daddy's calling. Let's see what he wants. All right. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Tastes real good.
Yeah, I just tasted. It's vegetable. So yeah, and then
You want some, Ladybug?
there's a new blender.
Tastes really good.
We got a new blender.
You had a rest. I have enough for 32 ounces, and then I had enough for the kids, so this filled it up about 3/4 of the way. So it was a lot.